Namecheap. Domains NEW. Hosting. WordPress. Email new. Apps new. Security new. Transfer to us. Try me. Help Center. Account. Ukraine flag. We stand with our friends and colleagues in Ukraine. To support Ukraine in their time of need, visit this page. Bring your ideas to life. Become a social media marketing pro the easy way. Try Relate Social free. Bring your ideas to life. Register a domain name to start. Beast Mode Search. .com only $0.98 .net only $9.98. Register a domain name to start. Beast Mode Search. Buy a domain and everything else you need. Promos. Domains. WordPress. Hosting. Security. Apps. Explore current top deals. Check out our best deals across our product range and get what your website needs. Discover even more savings. View less. Decor image. Rated 4.7 out of 5 by 2M plus customers. Join our newsletter. Real customer ratings and reviews at Shopper approved. Read them all. Trusted the world over. Every step to online success. Bring your website to life and help it thrive. Buy a domain. Register a domain name and create your online identity. Use our advanced domain name generator to get your ideal choice right away. Already have a domain registered somewhere else? No problem, domain transfers are free and easy. Discover all domain extensions. Find the right hosting for your domain. Find the right hosting for your domain. Whether you want speed, simplicity, space, or superpower, we've got you covered. Choose from shared, VPS, dedicated, and managed WordPress options. Or try SiteMaker to get a personal site online. Choose a hosting package. Add professional email. Add professional email. Impress your customers by sending emails from yourwebsite.com. Get secure, reliable private email connected to your domain, complete with business tools and calendar from just $11.88 a year. See email plans. Security for you and your customers. Security for you and your customers. Take the stress out of security with low-cost SSL certificates, premium DNS, VPN and more. Plus a range of features like two-factor authentication included completely free with your account. Secure yourself. Boost performance with our apps. Boost performance with our apps. Power up your business with our range of apps. From Logo Maker and our Visual Suite to Supersonic CDN, we have the tools ready and waiting to aid your business performance. Select apps. Why Namecheap? Simple, it's all about you. Privacy and security. Your website security and privacy comes first at Namecheap, and we will always support the rights of individuals and consumers online. It's our mission to keep the internet open, free, and safe for everyone. Your business online. Boost your business with industry premium products and services at prices that won't break your budget. If it doesn't provide you with a better internet experience, we simply don't offer it. Customer service. You're covered by a support team that's renowned for being one of the most knowledgeable, friendly, and professional in the business. Real people are ready to assist you with any issue, anytime, 24/7. Decor image. Unleash your full potential. Extra support and knowledge is waiting for you. Unleash your full potential. First site support. Learn while you build as we talk you through everything from your first domain onwards. Our guru guides have the answers. Get started. Unleash your full potential. Discover our blog. See the latest industry news, get inspirational business tips, find our latest promos, and much more in our extensive blog. Get learning. Unleash your full potential. Transfer to more. Get extra support and savings by transferring your domain to us. Plus, carry over any time your domain has left. Transfer today. Join our newsletter. Stay inspired. Get all the latest offers, articles, and industry news straight to your mailbox every month. About Namecheap. Read our blog. Join our newsletter and marketing communication. We'll send you news and offers. Audio recording started, 8:41 p.m. Sunday, May 1, 2022.